Hey everybody, so little while since I've done a little model railroading video, so I figured I'd upload one. Um, Probably a year or so ago, I picked up this little Northwest Short Line 282T off of eBay, luckily for next to nothing because it was mislisted. Did a swap on the gearbox after a lot of finagling and after a lot of frustration and problem solving. Got the power pickups working and decided to do a little test run up our local club's logging line today. It went pretty well overall. This thing works uphill just fine. It'll work even more so, work even better going downhill because it doesn't have to fight gravity. But yeah, overall, very happy with the results. Like I said, Northwest Short Line gearbox, as well as a model, and then I used one of the, well, again, Northwest Short Line little gear pullers to get everything replaced. Kind of a shame that well, they don't import these models anymore, and that it seems hard to get your hands on the gearboxes for replacement on older brass models. But um, hey, you know what you're gonna do? It's an interesting hobby to say the least. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can enjoy the video. Yeah, just enjoy it going up the logging line, and thanks for tuning in.